to Angie in Wonderland, and today I am going to share with you all of the stuff that I used up in the month of September. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. It seems like September went by so quickly. We're already in October. I had so much going on in October. I had so much going on in September. I went with my mother to St. Louis and Memphis. We had such a great time, so I feel like I didn't use up a lot of product, but when I got home and I started piling it all up, I actually used a lot of stuff this month. So let's go ahead and get started. None of this is any particular order because I keep it all inside of this little basket that has my name on it. So I just actually keep compiling it inside of my room here, and then I run out of room, so I just have to tuck it in certain places. But let's go ahead and get started with the stuff that I used up for the month. All right, so first things first, I used up this candle, which I think I bought at TJ Maxx, Kirkland, or no, not Kirkland's, TJ Maxx or Home Goods, or Marshall's or something like that. But anyway, I loved this. I love the jar, and I really don't want to get rid of the jar, so I'm going to try to take the wax out of it because this is so pretty. I love it. And I thought even if I put a tea light inside of here, it would be so pretty just glistening through this glass. But this was my Sand and Fog teak wood candle. Love that. I burned that one in the dining room. And then I think I know I used up more than just 3 of these because I emptied all of them out throughout my house and got brand new ones, which I shared in a video the other day, Bath and Body Works. These are the Bath and Body Works wallflowers. I don't know the scents of any of these, but these are the ones that I used up. And I know I said I've had more, but I don't know if I put them in this bag or not. But anyway, and I also used up my L'Oreal eyeliner. You guys know how much I love this eyeliner. This has been the best eyeliner that I've ever used, and it actually applies with a little, let's see where to go. It applies with one of these like little applicators. I love it. It just works so perfectly for me, and I guess it's just like a gel type of eyeliner. It works perfect for me. I absolutely love it. I used up the Johnson's baby oil. You guys know that I use this stuff up. It's pretty much in every single Empties video. Love the baby oil. I definitely reuse this all the time. I'm gonna start tossing stuff in there. Hold on, let me grab that bag. Okay, perfect. So now I can just toss everything in this bag next to me, and I'm good to go, except for that. I don't want to throw this out because I'm going to try to get the bags out. Okay, so the next thing that I used up, you guys also know Brian and I had small little colds in the month of September. So we both were like all over the NyQuil and the NyQuil Z, but this was the stuff that we used to help us get over our colds and help us sleep. But anyway, so we used up the NyQuil. Good stuff. We absolutely love it. We use it all the time when we're sick. I used up my, this is so gross, it's got like hair all over it. My Aveeno shave gel, love that stuff as well. I used up the Bourbon Manuka conditioner in the Herbal Essence, and then, which I absolutely love, and right now I'm using a different Herbal Essence scent, and it smells so good. And then I used up this conditioner, which is a white grapefruit mimosa mint. Now some of these may have been in my travel bag, so anyway, I emptied those, finished those up. I finished up this candle from Bath and Body Works. This is a Cobblestone Candle Meadow Rain. I loved the way that this one smelled as well. You know what? This one may not have been Bath and Body Works. I'm not sure because it doesn't have the information on the bottom. So this may have been from like TJ Maxx or Kirkland's maybe. But anyway, I finished this candle up. And then I finished up this candle as well. This was one of those new candles from Yankee Candle that has the lid that you can actually sit your candle on top of, which was really nice. However, when this got really hot, you couldn't like pick this up and take it off of the lid and put the lid back on it because it got hot and you couldn't like touch the glass. So it was kind of like defeating the purpose, but I understand the purpose, but it was kind of defeating it. But anyway, I used this one up. This one was the Citrus Grove. Loved it. Loved the scent of it. I feel like these ones like burn up so quickly, so much quicker than the Bath & Body Works ones. I don't know. Do you guys ever find that to be true? Like with your Yankee candles, like they burn up a lot quicker than your Bath & Body Works ones? I don't know. I like that one though. And then I finished up, which I bought 3 new ones in a different scent, in the pink one this time. These are the Downy Infusions. You guys know that I just kind of pour these inside of a little container that's in my laundry room. But I ran out of this stuff, and they had a sale on like the 3 like smaller sizes, and they were in like the pink color. Love those scents as well. My clothes are coming out so nice, but I always like the Downy Infusions. They always make your clothes smell super nice. Alrighty, so I finished up 2 of my Neutrogena makeup wipes. You guys know that I swear by these as well. Just one wipe gets both eyes off, all of the makeup off of both eyes. I have one in my travel bag, and I have one in my bedroom that I use every single night to take the makeup off of my face before I wash my face and go to bed. But love the Neutrogenas. Another thing that we finished up was a small Colgate. This was in one of our travel bags, which I was glad because I'm trying to get rid of all of like Colgate and Crest and go over to the Tom's because I really like the Tom's toothpaste. Anyway, this was in our travel bag. Finished that up. Oh, and here's the Tom's that we actually finished up. Absolutely love the Tom's. See? Love the Tom's. I got that finished up. So nice. And then here are 2 more of my wallflowers. So I knew I had more, but there's 2 more of those. And then I finished up my Blow Dry It Quick Dry Spray. You guys know how much I love this stuff as well. L'Oreal is like the best product for my hair. And I just spray this on my hair right before I get ready to blow dry it. Simple, quick, easy. Love it. And then I finished up my Johnson's Baby Lotion. This is the lotion that I use as soon as I get out of the shower. I just put lotion on my hands, my elbows, all over my shoulder, my chest, legs, everything. And I've been using this stuff forever, and I absolutely love it. And I don't think any other lotion that I've used I like more than I like this. So this stuff is great. And then I did got new pods. Obviously, I've told you guys this before. I put these pods inside of a container that are in my laundry room. So I ran out, so I bought new ones. So this was the one that I bought new. Love those. And then almost done. And then I finished up, which I wrote the top, I finished up my morning burst, and I told you guys I was going to try to finish up all of my clean and clear products because I was switching over to Noxzema, which I've been slowly trying to do. This was my morning burst clean and clear that I used in my shower every single morning to wash my face. Love this stuff, but I'm actually trying to go over to a different brand. So I'm saying goodbye to clean and clear for now. And then lastly, you guys know how much I swear by my probiotic. This is by Renew Life Ultimate Flora. I suffer from IBS. For those of you who are new, you guys, I suffer from IBS, and I've been taking this now for about 3 years and absolutely love it. It's definitely helped keep all of my like illness and stuff you know, at bay. I don't get as sick as I normally did prior to taking this. I don't have like I said, this is not like 99.999% proof because I do have like IBS days, but this just keeps it from being as severe and as frequent as it was prior to taking this stuff. So I absolutely swear by this stuff. It's so good. It's very expensive though. It's about $25 a bottle. There's only 30 capsules in here. And I usually try to get it when it's at Kroger for like buy one, get one. And then I found it at Target, I think, for like $17. So, excuse me. Excuse me. So when you find it for like under 20 bucks, I always try to grab a couple of them. So, all right. So that is it for my stuff I used up in the month of September, my empty products. That is it for my empty products for September. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye!